Welcome to the slop farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make a Lamborghini Gallardo and build a boat for treasure. To start, you'll want to lay down a strong foundation. Use robust materials like titanium or gold blocks for your chassis, ensuring it's incredibly sturdy. Next, focus on shaping the iconic wedge-like body of the Gallardo. Pay close attention to its overall proportions, aiming for a realistic representation. This initial framework is crucial for the entire build, so take your time to get it just right, setting the stage for an amazing replica. Now let's refine the exterior. For the main body panels, consider using plastic or wood blocks, as they offer flexibility for shaping. Focus on crafting the distinctive air intakes and the sleek, aggressive headlights that define the Gallardo's front fascia. Don't forget the wheels. Build 4 detailed ones, paying attention to their size and ensuring you incorporate a proper suspension system for a smooth ride. These details truly bring the car's unique character to life. Moving inside, it's time to create a functional and realistic interior. Design a comfortable driver's seat, a detailed dashboard, and a steering wheel to complete your cockpit. Then, turn your attention to the rear engine bay. Craft a convincing engine replica, even if it's just for show, to enhance realism. Finally, integrate working doors and a hood, allowing for easy access and adding another layer of authenticity to your incredible Lamborghini Gallardo build. For the final touches, focus on functionality and aesthetics. Install a robust steering mechanism to ensure precise control, and integrate a powerful propulsion system to get your Gallardo moving swiftly across the water. Don't forget the visual appeal. Apply vibrant paint, add custom decals, and install functional lighting for nighttime adventures. Once complete, thoroughly test your creation for stability, speed, and overall control, ensuring it's ready for any treasure hunt.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.